So what we're going to be putting together are lithophane ornaments. So if you don't know what lithophanes are, you can see images through the lithophane with just some light behind it. So basically thicker segments show up as darker because less light can get through, and the thinner segments are lighter, and so you use that gradient and you create an image. And so I'm very much not the person that came up with lithophanes, and apparently I'm far from the person that came up with the ornaments first.
Since there are already a buttload of people doing this, and I can't compete with people making these for $8, I may as well show you how to do it. Also, a buttload is a real thing and is equivalent to 477 liters. Isn't that just the best? Anyway, to make a lithophane ornament, you can find this site as the first result in Google. Select the globe option. Note that the base of the globe will be the top of the ornament, so we're going to want our image to be upside down. 4,320 by 1,600 pixels is the sizing that worked well for me. Just leave a bit of a gap at the top and the bottom because that part will get a little bit distorted. Note that if you select the fit image checkbox, it may cut off the sides of your image, which is less than ideal, so we're going to leave that unchecked. We'll be shrinking the ornament down a bit, so we definitely need to adjust the thickness settings or it'll be too thin and there will be spots without any filament. The settings I've liked have been 1.1 millimeter minimum thickness and 3.1 millimeters maximum thickness. Then you have it create the STL and you're basically already gold. The last step is to just bring it into whatever software you use to set up prints. I used Prusa Slicer and set the scale to 49% if you're using the same tea lights I used. Use the highest detail print settings you can and let it rip, then poof, it exists because 3D printers are magical. Glue a paperclip or an actual ornament hanger onto the base of the light and put glue on the edge of the other half of the tea light, then cram it in place like you're trying to give the ornament a colonoscopy. When it dries, you have a sweet looking ornament and you win at Christmas, which we all know is the most important thing of all.
Ooh, ornamenty.